101.3 na mawre fiso koma nkesimu so yedem Kingdom 106.1 ana decoder na so ya SOMPA FM Facebook no so yedem live and YouTube no ano ya SOMPA 106.5 Accra SOMPA 106.5 Accra Kana Shaban Radio ewo Kanashi and Doma 100.7 so ewo Doma hono a afa www.sompaonline.com and semi wo kwa obenya bi no wakenkan Pepsodent wo mo anaso ya sene ya enanumrei yatena se na nyo no nko a time herbal mixture enso krai mu se twetwe ana fa midimafo aba center at the time eto yade no so ediama me a enumre me no wode ahia minute no aduasa ansa na kasebo no wankasa nto aso aba efi no nsia de kro no eyeme AKOSUA AGYEIWAA KODIE boaten afei yenje brana nsem no yenhwehwemoi Ama ya hot bite kase bono ye sose ade free bono mantamu doma hinkro ane yadri adwarifo ma ne mema ye wo mo honom na ebosu dwetire esu ade afra mpanyimfo so obi esu naniwa na wo de ye de che kurai esena sada brunsan ne nyina ne ye senansan ya nsu asase ya etoto yinyasam keto makora anka me ye se de Ghana de yangie hu ye yenim se nsuo hu mframa fa me ya wodo ye yirifa ayankramantamu enkran friwa ne kumase won mo de etoa so nanse se Kamia Sodoma ahinkro ya abono mantemu ewo ho no wo mo so nsa kan wo de yie pa anam sunti adwerifo ma ne mema eduru se nsuo to a wo mo ntumi nkodwo mo nkonko didwa ateche se kumo ana wo mo namu ensuo ntoye nsuo amfuturo nko a ana wo mo anamu ni nyina ne yese na nsentemu na mpanyifo ayi atwere se wo mo adwa wo mo atimuo no wo mo aba ba 24 hour economy project ibi di ama wo mo dwakese na wo mo siri kakraka ade ama wo mo wa ankebe tumi aboa na won mu dwumadi awodo ya won mu die na nioma nyina da ebetumi akoye di ama won na so nkam yesa na nsentam no se ne nsuo hu nsensam sibi ha won nsuo to ya na ayidi afa won no anam so ama nkwanta ya yera won pa ewa kwantimfi na so mpaka se ba na sa no ye ne dwomfo ma ne bi ekasai adefa ho na won makosem moma yentie bi emrasesia
Yeba Jan, Yakasa Yama, Ziaba, but the soldier for the police for the family. Yana Yaba and Yemen. Lambo, Cassandra, I must have Annalisa. If you say Anna, this is a pussy. A lot of person you cannot do. And a person, it is a you're so different to Martin. And she asked about why. Send a bay and I am better. Meso, the next appropriate, the same buy and so I am. Baby, never be an Martina. Yes, Rabbit. Yes, Rabbit. Say, Gana, buy Yaba, Yada, Yaba. Yes, this is I am ready to show fire. Yes, 7 what I won't say. But about why am I? Said, really, grab a baba. I'm a friend. Yes, Yaba, it's Matt.
Hanyina nsuaza faja musisi so we nya ba bi ntana ese ye wuya anya free achide bi free bre kuma free kuma ase hanyina ya pacha obi anfa
awusua wai aye adwarifo ma no ane yete wo monkano na wo mafo ma Facebook no so ai enya asem keto se wani eni kwase ye ka kire okura edwa no na atacha pa ye tamuo enya asem keto na we hu na basimuo so wo ba bedidwa ye nkwa wo no so ai na ye ne se fa electoral area assembly member enkotwetwe enkomo no nyamfo Daniel Atakofi awuni do no abon ma ne se Ataviari wo panyega se ma adwo ai
na me da ba
na wo peso so bokọ de
oh nyame mo ba wo mo je bokọ ba
yede nyame ase we de wo manfo na esu ye o menim se wo hunu bi a ensuo to a ba bi a won mutene di dwa no won ka se wo de wani ko twari si akohunu se na esitie
yo no me da se ko me ke si na e de ama me SOMPA radio a ko ya sa na ne itetam ta bi a na ma ni ta yi me de ba ene pe me de mani akokore ne ne se me de mani ku akokore since I got started in the day, I'm saying 1 month, 2 weeks, not a single day. Menko, me was between the beer and the no better. Here, I can say, my American street the war, market.
Now, one of the man cano at a sa. Sir, ensuo to a yire de fa wo mo na wo mo ha wo mo ani sa de ye hunu video ni mu no a eda ye TV no so de no kwasem enya de so ani kura wo se dom ahinkro bia ye ti se ye adwarifo ma betra wadi dwa
You never met that. And now they are about the other side. I'm just not here or then they are not what you are, Mutika. Now, no more, all back to I for Mutika.
Okay.
President Master of the AKOSUA oversee 24-hour economic source from one out of my and the farming society they are looking to okay. And I'm so fighting for Dr. Edmund the second. My baby, oil sports, my main car, state electoral area, only in Pensacola. Now, on that, and I'm saying, now, on that, and I'm back in the and I'm so much, the captain, Koye, a ground on that. As I was so like that, market woman, in the beginning, I said, but I'm on the stores and on their market, those were more effective on and I say, who are more and I'm so much more effective. Oh, yeah, so you want to them, make them want to fish, nothing for, and they are Moton, Taki and Katisam, Humane, Tools, and then Omoton, and then it's a speaking from nothing for. Oh, the Yamam never found them effective. And they got them, but they are starting for the mile. You can hear how the mom, I don't have the problem behind what, just so yeah, like. Yeah, you that. Yeah, so the authority now, the more war. Now, only one or two occasions, and I complain about that. Then you have Martin almost on two to the board here by two Canadian support. Or more, all back at your dimensional. And you will be back, but yeah, I really talk of the time of seven good as a some part you, which is the 20 or the song, this is the other. That's a winning, no present, winning, Abubako. Said a bear, Okono, and Kinama, whether by Kinamo, Okono, Positia, Banki, whether to you. And I'm Doma, Zana, some people, now, Southern America, not your spotted in a show. I did not, if I did, we can tell them what you are. Yes, I relocated my Yama, not a won't come on. The mom said a bear, we have it for one over the Bible. Yeah, somebody, yes, and you are, and who was there? You're feeling about it. I'm going to so to it. Just so to the man, and you are. And you call market what again? 2 times, and then sort of, so to Sunday, they bet you Monday. They are actually Tuesday, they find there, you was there. You are, and then on the MC. Did you come on? Jacob and go to the other young papa and I doubles. The damn family home for mom. And there, yes, it's so tired that the other here, now, now, machines, machine out there about back home. And I know a cop one at here and I said, I know about it. And I'm seeing that I have some and why I am a cow here for them. And they are doing and yes, so the delay where you know, I've yet I have back home. Uncle two and I got us from soon, but yeah, so good as that. You did and I can't call and I call and send you my idea. And here to one more, I die water. Dear chief, here that. One my bad for I think all that's working day by Saturdays and Sundays, they're working day. And you know, he's poor and Yana. If you have a Gramsuran, and I hear you can see a price for the Jam and all that. But fortunately, that's certain Sunday, and they're somewhere in the Monday, young daughter, and then Susan Toy. And the young look at the Adana American, and I said, you're a Muslim, and a queer, but I told I mean, Paul was there. I have for sure said, if you have no cases, what's the $10 track here? So I'm not a ring. And I promise you, there's a man diploma. We are doing a Kirakosia one. But yeah, you know, every so that they are ready to kill it. Once I had my cookie and you have the soup one. And you may have them, and I never allowed them so far. The best part of the journey that the goods is shown. Tabaya, I don't go so the area. You bet the compassion. Another, I don't do July, I don't go there. A bear west.
Okay.
And I don't know. And I don't make a call and I will not a lot of works over there. This is a unit that they need you. Yeah, just so last night, I'm basic. And I'm lighting system. Let you hold your banner inside I can tell you. I got to post almost 11. I didn't know. A bomb from the line, I can tell you about but I'm be on contact by 20 just so far. You're over to support me and now. So all of the second year of a Sunday, the remaining one I can get Brian. And then so I told and the problem. I like it over about years, but for sure, the professor, that is short of grand. Then I'm whatever it is, you know, something over there. They are the other people. If you have to make a you remember who are the other the high margin, said that they are going to check a career. Let's make a question. It didn't have a top down or a big Israel. Like a crack, and the meaning, and I'm much yours.
I won't know sending a sibling who were for dear you switch. That's a Juma or one cassa. Yes, Mocasa more one nana sechina, a better key time. And to when you Anyanoa Mode Kono, Yan Anyano Ayanya Bay Yasan said, Ye Peno solution Nina Diama Womo Pepper Peno, not ye Padia, said you won't go say, oh, and they but a baby bear 1 or 2 years and not a sem crown 1 year, say, come once him. Ayanya Bay and I move flow so cry. Okay.
Yes, I'm going to say that I don't tell you, I'm not market more. I'm also the Atlas, and now so far, the 1 year that I never had. Daiba Kakana, when you 2 months done, I'm one of got their station for just one of the Nanka, but be a day after what the apartment, how the test maker, and I'm smart. I'm one of the that so I don't do it. And again, John, as I say, we are okay. And the one commodity, when one more tenacity, Cassa. Now, one more genocide. Yeah,
Okay.
One time, I'm from now. Now I'm getting a contraction to one. And this is the mouth. Why are you done? The Unga, there's so much of diet. And you will be that. Don't want to know your food. No, don't want you about there. And the other, there, I'm
one of my was na yamfa wonsi na adomdom ye na enkomo yi se de woka se mo ba sha se kra de gravos ne ade gugu hono mo no yenim se anso ha ye ye besan so ba won chen na emu na motuo no ba bia motu aduru bia no ye so ya bomaba so ho sanse nipa ya de osai yi wai edasi
akwana wodi amamo tabi yezente ta tikezi amambu tini na memeka nse ye pa bia meka sano yedi yana ba tabi yedi de and the kasa ba tuya ni na ba tabi kasa ma no tuya so ni ni pa of channel na ni ka ye yeso mo mo tudom na mi gbe mu na do mama du ye nra no
edase wanotene awusia wai aye woni monyan for Daniel ata kofi awuni ane yete ne nkan do no abon mo se ata viari wono aye assembly member ewo sefa electoral area eno ewo doma hinkro bono mantamo ena yete se wokasa wochechi mu no na ne nkasa ni nyina tofo abono yese wo mo ade gravel se baba be go na chese ema no apinisi a won musie no wate bi papa no wo hunu bi wono wankasa so de nani akwa ha ye kasa akura no no wo mu bie na wo hwa na motu soronko wo betimi atu ade afa ho na sane wodi nkan aka ne dada no kire se we no ayadwuma kase pa anya de abetumi aka ne se ye de da koro esi woni ye de awie da bi eso sanse edwa no wankasa ne mutre enti won mo kase wo mo ko ho a enye ne no mba wie nam so nti no eye nkakran nti na ne kire yada won be se won mo dwumadi ase na won mo hwe se wo mo bedi na ye frɛ na so adwadifo no wani sane be ye wo kire bi no enkonkofa asem foforo bi a emfa emma sansa ye kwa ye bai enuane na ye dan yenya aduane pedi a ene yenya pomde pa na yenya hotoso aba yenwuma so aba ye adwuma enti bia ye maame no motie so no eno so ye dadwene ye papa si etumi edekọ adwendwene na ye kwa ma no so na ye ne municipal chief executive officer ya wono ewodoma central won monya for Dominic adoma ameyawo akwakotwetwe enkomo na ye bisa ne se aso se yankasa ana enhyehyɛ no esi atie sanse asem de ba ye nyina no me wo se doma kropon assembly no won motu na mo yewura Dominic adoma ameyawo ono krampo na motu no wo hyase bi nkakra ya kyese wo mo ne die kire se wo mbeboa ama ema no nya baabi papa atena na so obi kan ye eduruma bi a aya na dwumadi etise no enye ahogoro so kra ye nkwae na eno no bo enkodi nkomo wo mo na fa mu adwo SOMPA so nie
ye mo mini aba
ye mo abaso ni wadwuma pa wo ye wai
me da wasi bebre wa maso bodi ade ba no
wadoruma wo manfo wodoma ahinkro adwarifo mai ana won mo elkasa yi menim se asem ya bedru wanim dada sanse motu wana mo pi no ana yenhwe de de kan ya mebisa yese eye kropon no moda yeso bi se mo besi market kakraka ade ama adwarifo mai sanse ba bia won mo tena de ewom se mo boa se mo benya gravels de gu oni ade na so no bi kan ye se yenya no ade ya beboa dada febo enka beboa we na ye mada yeso sa se bibisa betumi asida chi bia na
Abena baba bena wasi. Na menje wakifo wakonya odi amami. Na nokra His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, and the NDC abai say across the length and breadth of Ghana, all the district capitals, they basically an ultramodern 24-hour economy market. As part of that, as part of the promises being fulfilled, the whole Ghana, the first municipality and our district here, the president himself, with the Bono regional minister, ever cut it short for the construction of the 24-hour economy market, the Doma Central municipality. There were a lot of considerations. I mean, about the early stage, no, Nanka, you say yes, where you put from Nanka, I don't know, separate from the usual Tuesday market. But we also saw, say, already, Ghana Secondary City Support Project, make a bandada nature no, a share says on market expansion be. But what me, you were an available land of about 4.9 acres. You bet him Eddie, I see the 24-hour economic market, Eddie Akahon. Nama, the 24-hour now economy, let us say you're running. Yet,
Ono wa homa na tia tom ye hwese yensa ebesanso aka ne biem ewa homa no so abusua monfa enche ye bomoden a se yensa ebeka municipal chief executive officer Adema Doma Central Onomonyafo Dominic Adoma Ameyao ewo ahoma no so na ye ne no atwetwe enkomo na no gu asem so a woka edefa 24-hour economy ya aban no epese wode eba no ho na ne nyina no etwa kowie se wo besisi edwa hodo a wo manfo no ebekom anopa wia enumre de suom na wo mo empa ba yensan kwa ahoma no so wono aboasa ba onobo ko se wo ahoma no tekoi na wo no gu asem so a woka
I that may in other say between now the 24-hour economy. Yeah, NDC by ya propagate near Kawasabano. You bet me achieve not able to some person to them. You bet see Brother Jama, they can choose the market. Now, the Ghana secondary support the Kawa. That is a one amalgamation of markets can see with stores. Already, area one also supply commission area. Who run the 24 hours? It's running. What about at the body about where the big academy? As we speak, the minimum the minimum 4 money, the coin, which is the new site. Your land size of over 10 acres. Yeah, everything I put it to your phone. Baby.
Honorable Timenka. Hello, Honorable. Aha mo majeri say yensuo no ana ma ne network no tekwa na sanso aba no na wa no gusu na wo ka efa ekesi bia mo ho sanka dwari forma na be ko ho no na duru ya ahoma ne tekwa ye
aji sa asase one time by teleketa eda ko say ye di dom forma e ko so no ho ana me ka say yes is washroom that extend the electricity. Now, the machines greater than the normal areas as so come out. Now, who say? As I did be uncle, someone now all the affiliates is what. No matter how best our compact as so, since so to transfer. No such as say, who defect to be our assassin. And not being in the former complaint is them no, and so that baby. So we will hear say soon talk na medium forma now for prayer could get no yeah I'm ready I say get the money ha we should talk to brother so you the agency you say na wa better therefore to proper one yango for but now let me do that my you go here say the be so talk but it need to talk say we go say after baby you how about the bank there manzo to now so after how about baby joy na tena ya the machines ba kwa ya kokko akwa fele so e grader and e compactor akwa compactor be so that na shaba ya sa how ne be fi ho na me ne bai we da wako baby mu no the people who are beto chima na so ba be dia na say be call new site one access rules for your creative in that area extension of electricity I'm a brother to for no and like say what did you cry ama yenya access to road and then na butre make a contact for site here. The 24-hour economic market is so. I shall see what channel blocks area. you able to foundation asset for your class. You know, 30 months as a contract and you will. But contract can't say, or the 24 months, every year is after the way. And see, I don't know, some people so in one way or the other, you are adjusted to some of these difficulties. Now, you're in your compromise, so ADWOA na yama bro, the man again, alpha to my friend. The thread of one man say, Belvia, to my top baby, you need the actually, you better share our Kuranama, Jana Ayakama. And see, many about Ofreya, na.
What about sending in our crowd to fraud your my chest and Yamoboa Payo, Nemo Namu Penny, and Aquaban say.
Exactly.
Okay. What about my info see? Young how bebre na yenim send your work say a free number channel de chrono. Watching out so your bedi actually. Naya say, dear Moka yano, and Yambiamodo was ya or ya. Yamisha why? Sipa. I was saying, you're not a bonk, I am Municipal Chief Executive Officer. Yo, what Doma Central, when you're for Dominic, Adoma Ameyaw, and not yet turning Kana or Chichimono. And Doma in Crow Adosia, ready at Munus Watcher or Pessan say, dear. And penny for Kenye, Trust, and your woman Wapayokra, a free Yamiadma Wachina at the chrono, one bachano my mohia some eddy among what bite, Cassia bo and to a swa and na edru sweet time your bamisha, and I come for a diamond, and yet the malaria fever at drew and no, yes, I want to our 2 mini D, wapos your malaria at shoot sebibino, at your time, her bamisha and not wihia. Momadias over ballroom will leading shops a hood moqua, was open malaria drone be one sa at the cabby. I'm also phrase 0244 417 0244 417 Medima for about sentence, your doctor say what the time. Abato yade no so ade amount eye stroke analysis yade waposo na ya okoto dwe diabetes prostate na eha wo komedima foi na doctor enhwe emfama mu jabro so nyina da woto wase wo mu nsensem ene na wonya mfama na so ye wo ba no wo ma wodro mo wa menni se guna anadwodo mieno wase no ho kani enhia boso be so na sadam aboso me nkono ba wafa ba eye medima fo danse ne yedi ne sa no akra wo pokua se mayo akoma se ebo akwa gogo won government school ni Shenimu 0244 774282 0244 774282 na Pepsodent cavity ni okwo Pepsodent de free tetentere ne anu ntie na wo bia akwa kwakoto de ade twiri yesea wo se kokwa wo so Pepsodent enu an wo bia animu edin dada no a eye Pepsodent cavity na abusua okwa adwama so a enam ne papa sani esitie na ya eyenti obi ya agi atum se atwetwe wo de twiri wo se a eboa wo ye feeling ka wa bia de firi wonum emonum da wo yopo enti twiri na no pa na twiri na numre wo se do the two manu manyina enkoyi emfa emawo na wo se sesi anokra no wo masan so biom apono de ato ho no mu a se ba no se ese yentwitwiri yese ene ne ma hodo a ne nyina no ehye nyina adam pefe abuso bibia ne afa wo ma ho ma no e wo 0800 200030 0800 200030 na wona mpanyifo ani enkomo hot bite kasiabo emabusuane nto aso yede ebe yemfa seda ema na najima wo pambo na dawroma ene yede hot bite minute no aduasade ebesom ye yedan hotel ye ba yede nto aso no ankasa ena ebeba abesomo
Abusia afei hot bite ento aso ya yede ebansam ahodo a ne ebedimu akoti ni bi no ene se Asante Mantemo eye Ashanti South Police Command no wo mo ato eye akromfo bi so paasa enya semketo ye kasai enipa mienu na etu aka wo mo amoma hwere wo mo nkwa
wa Asante Mantemo na Amstead school no empotem wo abrantie bi a wo hu ni nipa ban ya wo yo Kabi abono na shenkene ne hefa enonam
awo sembi so asi awo nkokọ de ba ti bie kwantempo no so amane yate etrose nipa nso wo mo afrim
saranso ena yede obeko emfinfin mantam no emu abeto dwase ho nso nipa mienu ena nam akwanhia so ewo Cape Coast ato ananom ewo nsiedo
ewo fifi mantem ho no a to irenchen bi esi obi aye na adwen so obeku ne ho wa abra wono ankasa na fidia wode di dwuma ena nka wode eyo sade ne ne mpanyimfo ebebo nkomo e de afa nsemi ho
dom kuma ye wo ma ga ma mo hye dwafie ena kasa yi wo mo se asem se be o se nsem a eda wo for ma Ghana yenka ne dumso ho anya asem keto yi wasomai ye bebo mu
kane swafo anu oda o medwumadie ano opanyine ba homasuamu nso wa bene professor Kwesi Yanka watro nkrata tintintin bi e de afa enanu esu a chief of staff ekosu ye ewo dwumadie sunku bi yekoso ase
na enu oda ye bo mamane ewo ye kase isu se asoya ya wonom hwe homasua so atrɛ krata bi e de akwakoma G-Tech for ewa na motuo bi a wotu ye ene G-Tech for so ede anuye aba ya wobetemo nsem
Opanyi Payo kasa de ma Parent Teachers Association PTA ekuo no akasa na wode kokobo bi ababato akyerɛkyerɛfo ani school mpanyimfo anim se wonia musuo mmaw so obeka se akoda ntua PTA di usinti ye pamo no ye ma ne ntworo nsɔhwe anie na wo so omunu wo bi kapa
won homasua ensem kro no emu Gomua East mensin atena ya womo ehye ehomasua ensem no womo de ato dwa se afi BC insohwe na womo ekwakochoro no anye bi kura no womo ni suade hunu de ohamu chichemu aduokron
no shebedwede ya wono so ewo wajagbawe abato empesua so BC insohwe no wotu adamo bi e de aboa ne mofra ewo ne mpesua so
ye fro mu so obekwa amana ne ye Donald Trump wa kan sem bi na nsam no anya sanketo ma etwa agrada mu se hyew emu nkyeremu ye baba so wani nsama hodo pinu wa ananumre yi yatena se ya asomfo basa e ma ka bomu ko ye de e baba somwo ye ne yambate ye ne ewo kase boy mu no ayeme AKOSUA AGYEIWAA kwade aboaten mene
ADWOA ASARE enafi
OHENEYERE mame ekua YEBOAA esia mabronya abrewatia
afei yemfa ensam no enkyiremu no emamoe ye hyase ewo Asante mantam no emu na Ashanti South Regional Police Command no wo mabɔ adwuma pa sesi ade service with integrity no sabia nya no kasa bi kwa na emome wo mo ye adwuma kyerɛ pa se de da wo mo so no ene wo mo so kwa na akromfotachi amuakuo bi ya ye kyerɛ mu sɛ ne eurobri wo mo ye mu pa bomu akɛseɛ degrees ni PhD ewo Asante mantam ho yakwakodoa saa gangi adesmantle wo mo adwuma na wo mo ye no ewo mantam no emu na bambofo no etu saa na mo operation sonko a wo mo ne hyehyɛ so no wo mo kyerɛ mu ɛsɛ akodie atuo ne niema hodo bi a wo mo nsa kan ye ewo operation ni mu no enya asɛm ketwa DCOP Joseph Hammond Nyaba wono na ya Ashanti South Regional Police Commander na ensentwofo nhyiemu a ene wo mo freye ya no wo baba ensem no wo kyerem se April ne da na etoso aduonu num ane aduonu nsia na kyese nansa enene ne nan ne na afi nansa ne ne en wo mo koye sa operation ene important ahodo bebre bi koso Asante mantem bi koso wo mantifi do ebi koso wo atifi apoe mantem mo oboase manso nkwanta ene mia ya ahodo bi a ebemben na policefo e kyerɛ sɛ suspect no ya fa no Somaila Munkaila ya edi adodo no a enim no eye guda no wo mo kyerɛ mu sɛ robbery no team no wo no ne die anim no wo mo kɔbɔ wo mo sesen ewo tamale empotem ho no mu baabi enti wo mo nyanteye no ene wo mo so sesa wo makutrument ne special team a yede wo mo efri Ashanti South ho no ebese kɔ tamale ena afa bambofo a wo mpotem ho so ebeboa wo mo ma wo mo koye saa operation no na wo mo kyerɛ mu sɛ operation no wo nkohunu sɛ enye Munkaila yinkoa ena eye adwuma no Umaro Musa Tongude Sumaila ena baako a yesi ye frɛ no Bera wo mo nyina ka operation na ekoso na ne wo mo kodo a wo mo ya chibi nso ewetifi epoe mantem ne wo ba ye Facebook page no so obehunu enkomo ya yedie atu ahodo ne akade bi a policefo no kɔgye ye no enya asɛm ketwa enko wiase atuo kasaye ema nipa mienu ehwere wo mo enkwa ewo saa operations no emu ensɛm a DCOP editu dwane bi enie
kwa bine de bona de ne ko Fidase district court wa ye fine on the 10th of April 2026 police force are the charger e ɛbɔ sɛ afidie no ɔkɔwiaeɛ nti ɔmo de no kɔ Dominant Circuit Court nti ɛyɛ on the 15th no ɔba ɔsan baa court ɛma ɔgye ne mfomso ɔto mu sɛ nokorɛ kaa no ɔkɔfae wambɔ kaa wura amanneɛ nti ɛnam so ɛma court ɛbɔ no kwaadu de n'ato mu mfie mmienu sɛ wambɔ owura no amanneɛ na ɔkɔfa afidie no sɛ ɛyɛ kase Samuel Odipo no ɔwɔ Kumasi Central Prison a wahyɛ ase sɛ wɔtwa mfie mmienu na court de toll so policefoɔ adane ama owura na afidie no ɛyɛ ne dia
enti DCOP na wote ne nkan na wokyire mu sɛ operation na wɔn kɔyɛ no enye no nko a wɔn san address viral video bi ene na agye ntere ha pa ya na yesuzu sɛ owura bi kɔfa obi civilian vehicle bi a police officer na wo use a wɔkɔtamoye wɔno so yɛ kasɛyi na sɛm no akɔkɔpie mu emra nanim ayede na kɔgyina mu wɔ court abɔ ne kwadu sɛ emfie mienu wɔnkɔ dam no wɔnya adwumaden emfa mo aban wɔkɔ no wɔ ba wonyi sa adwuma ne biom tin nsɛm we nyina no yama ne boni ba wa beidu ɛna ɛto free Asante Mantamu ɛde som yɛn
na ba obido sɛnea wɔsibutu Asante Mantam edi dwuma wadre na nya asɛm ketwa ɛnɛ wato bi ɛde afiri kwada so abato mpɛsua so Asante Mantam ɛde amaye nanso enkra no enya de a emu ɛdɛ ne nyina da ɛne sɛ ɛyade a akentina pia menka University of Skills Training and Entrepreneurial Development yɛ yɛtwɛne ase Amsterdam no wɔkyerɛ campus no empotam ho ano ɛyɛ ade a ka bi abɔ abrantie bi a wonim ne nipa ban ya wɔyɔ na hyenkani no nso a wɔkyerɛ nya ade a wɔde bɔ no saa no wɔgyina yɛ wɔtopia afa agyan sɛm wesente no yɛnkwa wo ma no so krokra kyemekira assembly member ya wɔno ebutu hɔ yɛne no enkɔbɔ enkommɔ onimonyafo wote yɛnka yɛmoadwo ɛmoakɔ aba ɛba so mpa kaseɛ so ɛna nwumre ya jo so ebru ma yentie o ara wo sem isen na wo si ete no anase wo hu no efaye
beda se pa so ma kwanya se mem farmer ne bo emoyi nyina me sa che mo tiefo nyina na de umni eno na mnyantie se abrantie bi ka bo no o tano so Amstead adjacent filling station share filling station honum na Kano abono around na jo 10 kobo 11 hobe bi na kano bono na kano bono o engineer kra na se nkempa na okoye nkema police force be mu be fa mu ne de ko konfanochi mochi honum na city camera na ke bo honum ne to use ka beti na ye adwuma no ye cheche ne se ka bibie nu honum a ne ntete function function no I mean to won pa koye sa but as now you hu abrantie no na kira kwan say friend as me say no but son of the onye son of this year but if you are school Amstead ha na say you are ho nti egu so e pe na busuan say be ya ebusuan so be hu omo this year
ena kami baby sa say bia wonye sue ni ewo suapon ni mu na eba sa no mama suapon ni mpanyimfo ni bi aba behwe ebia no obi etimi identify ni say bia wa yasemesi anaso obenti motimi atu sana mon
you say a police for no etimi atu sana mon na say ye hwe no oku school ho ana
wo sha obetimi ama sania wo sitie ka say describe your brand here sania wo sitie no an infishie mu ne
obo mfie 25 to 28 years na we ni patent kakra wa taso duty
Jojo ayekoko
obe onye koko piece abet dije
asebi wo ho be kan de atwato na yeja ho kwan ana
na demeka che tifo ni se yede mfonyina to platform no sentino ubi onim ni bia na onim na busia bia betinya dare dama omohu omode se se de ya enkofo ha obi so maitie
ona bo agwangwalo anwumre ma ye na asese oje brani adaje na utimi ene yen etwetwe nkomo
mo bedama sepa mbenyina che
Eusia honorable agwangwalu wono eye assembly member michekru krache ya wono ebutu tanoso electoral area ya no ewo kwada sukropo ni mo Asante Mantam nyankopon emfa brantie ne kra ensi emfamaye
Yaguso da General Hosemo na nkokɔ de be tibie kwantempo no so na Hosemo asie Hyundai Grace minibus bi na akwakonya nkwanhia na amanbo yensaka atweresa enipa nso na won mafiri mu a hyenkani na wotwi ehyen no wono so eka ho bi na minibus ya ka no ho asem yi ne registration number aya GR 5660-18 GR 5660-18 na ekonya nkwanhia womanfo no mu kyerɛ mu sɛ adekodie pɔte a enam so ma ne bae no enya de won mahunu na mmomu no nipa na won mo te hyen no mu nyina de anka no makora wo mu nyina da afiri mu a akwakoya ahomekesem na ye ka sɛ MTT di mpanyimfo wo mu krabata ya ɛwɔ nkokɔ wo mabomoden ene aposifo aka ba kyeremu ya enei won mo hye ahwehwemu ase won mo ɛyɛ ɛde afa ho anam so amomo de adesrode ato manfo no anim sɛ wo nipa bi atu kwan wo busuafo bi no atu kwan na ɛyɛ nkokɔ de ba tibie kwantempo no so na unhu wo mo bepem sesebra ye kasa yi a eno anse wabo anan akọ ayaresabia ye no ewo nkokọ akwakohwe ebia na onipa no oka ho bisan se eya homekesem pa na asie anam so amanipa nso ahyenkani eka ho yi wono so etinanum ewo ansie do
abusua akwanhia no de emise nansemu ntemu eya doso pa na etoda wotin nsem bi se aya na hadwene na mfimfi mantamu eye nkran Cape Coast kwantempo no so ye frɛ baabi Third Ridge Junction ɛhɔ so akwanhia bi asi amanipa mienu na afamu ahwere wo mo nkwan foforo beye num so de yesi pra wo mo pra no enya sem kuma akora na ahomache anopa yi beye no nson ɛne wo mo kyerem so odum djadwumako no enyante ye Cape Coast Regional Headquarters ɛne wo mo etu wo mo ahyɛn ne wo mo niema ntentententem ɛde kopie mu wo hɔ Wom se eye Toyota Corolla ibi said fire service for the amanebono ebaye no Toyota Corolla ya registration number GW5769-16 ena fei howo tipa track ibi eno so registration number GN1497-22 eno so eka ho na shenkani na wote Toyota Corolla no emu no wo mu kyeremu se wono kora de wo kasia na chi a fire service for ne betwitwa eniema hodo ansa na wo mutimi eyi na pia bonten ye de no kopie mu e wa yaresabia no bambofo se waye nyankopon edia na regional fire commander ACFO Merinda Mary Atiga Mensa wono enene yamani boni Eric Anan edi nkoma wo kire mu kire no de esiye.
But my advice to the drivers is that they should take their time, and even before you move your vehicle you have to check everything that everything is correct before you move. On the road, there should be the limit. They should use the limit specified by the road safety. But they look as if my information is true, the truck was in high speed, and because of the speed ramp, he was moving from right to left, and there was a driver who crossing. So it was then that they started moving from left to right. And at the end of the day, we lost two persons and two are in hospital. So my advice to the drivers is that they should take their time when they are driving, because just a second things will go wrong. But your patience, that is patience will take them through. So
ene ya yekotie yi regional fire commander ewo Cape Coast ACFO Merinda Mary Atiga Mensa na wono kasa wiye no ADO3 Ebenezer Fifi Dazi ya wono nso kasamafo abedi achire ema odum djadwumako na wo mfimfi mantemu wono so ekyerɛkyerɛ mu kakra sɛ ensema hodo bi wo hɔ no mu a esese atiefo ete efa akwanhia na esiye no na sei ene wono so de ne de etudwa.
The senior Enokwenda Napa 28 April at around 7 o'clock na Anapa na yenya call there accident TBAC war in Kamfua Junction, specifically our China Mall na filling station or one in Nanyim. Na yen men do one and Toyota Corolla na number GW 5769-16 na no Cape Coast to Kwakra in onye whole track bia na no registration number GN 1497-22 ofi Accra be Cape Coast na wafa ahwea ene ne wenya akwanhia ewo bebia otedam no na according to eyewitness report no chere pickup be overtaking na ozokwa akohia tipper truck no upon sensing the danger no o send phone pickup no bebe sene into no or back to the lane no onam then na speed kakra wom na nzama sugum no ntino one stable into na okọ afafa but Toyota Corolla driver no hu ntama o parke into no parking na car no okọ afafa no.
ADO3 Ebenezer Fifi Dazi wono eneye kasamafo abediechire ema Ghana National Fire Service ne nkrabata wo mfimfim mantemu na yechirem se womo eprepra ye ni nyina nso Cape Coast Teaching Hospital eho ene yede womo akokogu a womo je ayarhwe amaneboyi Eric Anan ene de bai
Eric Anan asato nkrani bi efrimfimfim mantemu ade amaye na wedie eye mankesim empotem ho mfanteman assembly ho ena wode efri ebaye na ochiremu a Bema bia wono anya mfinhia no aduanan enwotwe 48-year-old Tyler na ese woto ties bi na wokyerɛ sɛ sabre yakase no wone eye owuo ene enkwa ena edi esie sɛ bɛya wobɛkɔ benkuma na sɛ nifa de ne nyankopɔn ko a enenim ni nyina mu enkyeremu ya eba ye ne sɛ ene wode wani kyeremu ɛwɔ eye Kwalebu Teaching Hospital ɛwɔ ena wo pre agye ne nkwa no ɔno ankasa na fidie ya wadi twitwa ne taase ne niema ahudoi ena brantie na akwa akofa ena wadi atwa ne mene kahire na abusia bra SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra Facebook no so YouTube no SOMPA FM live na behwe sane adasani esi daho na ne mini mu hankro ne nyina da esa akato ne bro nyankopon anje no a enya ade obetimi atena se ewate asefo asase eso ensem wese nam so ama yamane boni rekanan ene onmonyafo sefasata wono ene ye kane assembly member edema anafo estate abato bia ye na wone eye ene nkomotwetwe ne sania emu enkyiremu esi ekosi ye ene asemu a honorable eka esoso no moma ye nkwane yenkotie bimra
nti oyna mfie ni nche wona mpuno onya adwuma kwa na ebebi wo ye wasa won your contract of about 80,000 or what 80,000 no aka na ebiso adwuma kwa tima nti oya dam da Sunday we wie ma me adwuma no mo no na wasa ne bike onye ni apprentice ba na wo bada oye fie ni na mo ma de ti do da na wa ye dem ko na ku no wa ko nti ne apprentice no pa abontin ko play oba de di fie no Friend master bia na master ndede friend master bia on ndede oma mo wonya access to the room a wo ba da wo so no da pa do ma de chi nti awma chi be 2 am
Abusia mo Francesca no disem no ewo from kakra na enkyeremu ya na honorable ede emma no ene se abrantie eyade onokra no asante mantem kropo komasemu ena wote ede ne dwuma na nansenya da ene onya contract bi ya wo kyerɛ sɛ 85,000 Ghana cedis contract ewo infantman assembly ya no ewo mankasemu portable ho ena abrantie no eje pene sɛ wokɔ na wakɔ akɔyɛ sɛ adwuma sɛ bɛya ne nsa bɛka ne sika no obi ehu asɛmpote ya kyerɛ sɛ ato no ewa sa contract yi ho ana se dia ba besi ne tirimu ya enam so nti no no akase na fidie ya wode dwuma watimi atam no kahire dia to ne minimu ya wɔte ne ti ede afri so na so ye kase de empanyifo ya wɔn Kwalebu aban ya sabia abɔ wɔn homoden ama wɔ pre agye ne nkwa na ensem wese nyina no yamane boni Eric Anan ya wɔn butu efifi mantem na da romane saso ena enamo a yenso yensa etimi aka bie
Abuso ye for ho semuni akonsan foforo mu na wiase motepu bua obi de bia na ekobi nkwan donkoma ye wo ma Ghana no hye fie ana eka sansemi na won mo fransem trofo na de to won manim se hwe se wo bia de ka na Ghana ban ka wode no enya sem keto makora wo mo kyerem se aban no se ka ne adundum no a ekoso na entumi nyina na so no ne nyina ne ye se Ghana ban ade independent power producers won mo ka fuel suppliers no what the one more $700 million enye skaketwa say nti na just what ko dum no de akoba ha ama kanea ni ntumi nyina so sanse wontumi ntwia na kan wie na won ma so kanea no ade ama no ama na tumi agina so anam so ama deputy ranking member ya wono ewo mayim no sebedwafie eba no abedweko a ohwe yenyina mahoden wonsam so a waka ho bie Yewura Collins adomako mensa wono anane nsamtwofo ekasa ya watchro se asam ne da wonye ne na Dr. Kasela to force no omaga na photo samfo papa no ahwetwere ne bo ya wontumi meka mfa nkyere Ghana for say dunso ne ba ba hyase o tom sansan kanea no wo mo de ka wo mo entimi ntwiae.
We also know that the problems of the sector is not only technical, it is financial. The Ministry of Finance announced last year that it had cleared all the debts to IPPs. The government also credited itself with financial improvement at ECG. However, the data available to us is that government owes IPPs over $500 million and over $200 million to companies that supplied fuel for power generation. We call on the government to come clear on the financial situation in the sector, particularly after the imposition of the Dumso levy. We are calling on the Minister for Energy and the Minister for Finance to, within the shortest possible time, lay before Parliament upon resumption and publish for the consumption of all Ghanaians the full detailed and independently verified report on the 1 Ghana cedi Dumso levy, covering all collections made to date, all disbursements, and the outcomes of every expenditure. If the levy has been collected but not properly applied, Ghanaians have the right to know. If it has been misappropriated, those responsible must be held accountable.
Na ano wachiri no wapanipa na mananso wa ana wobaba chire se nani chine yata wo mu nya so for show manyina wamoden wonsam so Yewura John ni ginapo se obeba omayim no hye bedwafie na wobaba chire mu die nti akane no dumso ekoso na nokore na wo hono pa no wontumi ense Ghanafo.
The government must immediately cease describing a nationwide power crisis as a planned maintenance program or a series of routine transformer upgrades. Ghanaians are not fooled. The lights are out because this government failed to implement the recovery plan it inherited, not because of engineering schedules. Implement the ESRP without further delay. The Minister for Energy must appear before the full House and brief members on the current state of Ghana's generation and transmission capacity, the financial obligations outstanding to IPPs, the status of the ESRP, and this government's credible, costed, and time-bound plan to end Dumso.
Abusiano turning kai aye dom kuma ya wo ma Ghana no sebedwafie deputy ranking member ya woka abedjekua won mo show manyina mahoden wonsam so Yewura Collins adomako mensa.
Abusia yeka wasa SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra yene ya affiliate ahodo Ghana ha eni amanone eni ede kasebo no ebremu na hyenenso ema yese de edi kan twegu sisi ye Honorable Collins adomako mensa nensem no yamane boni na no opon checheku ena etu free mrahye bedwam ho no mo a wode eho asem ebaye na miafi ye nkyeremu ewo ensemfufuro mu Kane Minister of State opanyikro ya eba ehumesua eyade se wabene mu yie pa ene waboabo professor no aka ho Professor Kwesi Yanka nasem ena ye kan wakasa edietia eniema bia ekoso nansemu entemu eye Yewura Chief of Staff Julius Debra na wodi nimfishia aduosia 60th birthday na womoko ho na ase asore ewo the Church of Pentecost eye PIWC Pentecost International Worship Center nefa ewo Trasako na wokoye nye ono nko ane koye woni abamu empenifu akukudam ene asofofo ene wo momo kabie wo mampenikura no wo program nasibi enti jumedi a womkoye wo honom de wutim so wo na ye kama na Yewura Chief of Staff eba bekasa na wachire so anani so ewo ni 60th birthday ni mpempenso Nyankopon edi na aba bedru en wo se wade nyame ase awia adaworoma Apostle Eric Nyameche ya wo ye dwomtireni a woda Church of Pentecost asafo no anono wode chopa emu odin pa ejina eye Ghana Free Zones Authority panyinipa Dr. Maria Wusia na emu na wapa Apostle Chow sananse mu ntemu maame no kotena kasafidie so sabeke kan samu a ensem fata efa Apostle Eric Nyameche hu ni nyina ne se wakoka galamsi asem se si ansoronto no wo mutimi nya nsuo mu asu ensu tini nyina ye de galamsi asai no enti rubber pools bi artificial one we ni ya pe rubber kitua bi ni asa nsuo agumanum no wo mu bo asu ntinka aban no enhwe no wo mu enkuntia sa galamsi hu sensemi maame si adenti na Apostle Eric Nyameche akwakoka sa asem no se sofo de o ba be politics a ene ye be treat you to say the oyo politician pepepe na bibi wo horo mo esese ye kan ya hwe aka enti sa asem ne beto odwa no nkrofo bebre e kasa tie se o maame no wankasa ye kura sanse mi se maame na kasa won hye dan nim nipa ban ne nipa su a Apostle Eric Nyameche no ye ne dibre kura ne mi se maame no wo pese wo kire se won hye dan hunu ye ne se aha o enti nsem ne bae no e na yera chief of staff se wo kwakopa eyi sofo panyi chew na echopa ne koda ni su kire se se honorable epa esumu na wo sre pa se papa ne mfanche maame na nkase ye eno na professor Kwesi Yanka echim so nka enye bone na mom na se de chief of staff ko ye na hwehweniwa amanyosem ahwehweniwa bi en wode ye hye nani wan show tinchen kura won hu ni se eye chopa efira komemu na nka obi ye ne bone a wo na akwakopa ho chew akwakosu wo ho wo se anka ye be separate niema bi etisa de efira amanyosem ho a enka beboa we krapo no se nka aban mu panyini bi besu ewo kwa bi su bedwamu saa na nka bia ye case bia ye national concern se ya hyanka ho asem wo bi bewu bibi ti se galamse ya ye kosu yi na nka wakosu ho na nka aboa but eno no wo hye de ekọ so no ase papa na shift kakra nti nko obesere se ye kọ anim no niema bi etise ne sabe esusu saa no anka emwa yente so kakra na abamu pani bi kura besunu akwakoye issue bi a eye national concern pa na enye se bi obi afom na nipa na wafom na kura no wono tene ba bi ginani na wo kwakopa chonka chopa ne de eye basunu wo kire se nenke ehu hia kura
Awusia ehu ya na chese sania na amanfo ekeka no na chese emu ensem no yede ababedan mo no everywhere na yefa ye ni enchiremu ewo enwomasuemu na Ghana Tertiary Education Commission GTEC for na enura da kokobọ krata efri asoya wonom ehwe enwomasua so meche press secretary de ma wono nsa na na hyasie ye Rashmin na wose wonom se enibonimu ya no wonom krata bi ya wo treye ewo afie twemu September bosomi da na eno etoso eye aduonunum ene October bosomi da dikan mu hono wonom ede kwama empanyimfo ahodo ya eba eye suapon eno eye oman no adia no a wonom ekire ade wo mu no enimonimu ya no wonom ensansan wonom achi ewo sensusu ye ene aginasie no eho esanse amfa ne kwan so na nansem ne nyina no efa eye post retirement contract ahodo ya no edeko ema senior academic members ewo public universities mu ene retirement age eho ensensem bi asem no enu a efraso ye hwe nwomasuya so eye kokobokrata no eba ye no ye kasa ya GTEC for HSA kura wonom aka wonom nwiye samia wonom enya so brachre efa enchre wonom empanyimfo enti no sempanyimfo akasa sam na wate wonom atwe wonom ensem no asensen na nsem wese nyina no Director General ya wono eda eye asoye na no anasa commissioner no na ewesa na no nsem edema Deputy Director General Professor Augustine Okru na wode ensem wese etimi ebetudwa na wokyerese wonom agina ho a na wonom enyina ho ema wonom enkoa eho papa so pa wo maso nyina no mudentia ne yeyom ntia na so ne to da bia de wotwa sanom panyin se wonim se na chi achia eno ntene se woti wiase na wonya futufuo bi sei na wo hwe wa kwan etenetene wo a wokyerese eno eya na etimi boantene GTEC for ekyerese omudi aseda ema asoya ya wonom so ehwe nwomasuya so ene wonom ekandi foye renmonya for hal na idrisu se won so no wo ye ade bia na se wotwa sabi na watene wonom wokyerese wo hwe na wone wona woka bi ye wom ewo nwomasuya mu nyina no etimi etimi ato kese na wo madwendwen niema ho na asem wese no ekwan ye wose wonom ede foso ema komu ye ema fan ye ene asumdwe boa etimi etodwa na wonom enoma no ewo eye kwan paso ewo nwomasuem no wonom ejira ho ema senti obehwe na wayo no sa ama bibia so etimi akoye nti no na ese de okom agia ene emmeye G-Tech for HSE wonom atwe wonom ensensem ya wo tre ekoma eye senior academic members ya wonom public universities efa wonom post retirement ene age ho ensensem no yentoa ensem no ama ne boso enfama mo
Abusoye toa ensem no so ne aguso do gina ngomasuemu Parent Teachers Association ye twanti aka na se PTA wonom aye ekosonko ye wo schools ahodo mu wombo taye kese pa no aye se womo abaya dantemo de ama aye awofo anafei schools no ankasa empanimfo na titiro ne se school no enya bibi wonom hwe ekeka wonom sase agege se sika botena no adeboa ama school no etimi tumpon afei ye nioma bi ekoso ewo school ni mu fa nkoda no womade hwiamu afei nkoda bi a wonom sase ye asobrache ne dia eno so PTA aya ne mpempi no ano akyerɛkyerɛfo no afra wo mo ede to wo mo anim ege won ma dwenkyerɛ ede efa ho na wapanyi pa yo kasa ede ma PTA eye Irene Sam ena wo bokokoyi wo se na school asanso abia bia o na won mo bia ya na won mo tatete nsɛm bi se eduruma bia ti se no na se ejankoda ba betwero nso hwa abefre na abehunu school mpanyimfo no bi na won ma hyase ekɔ classrooms awoto wo mo se nkoda no de PTA di usika endia makwa makoda wontwero nso hwe adan yi a wo de PTA di usika anom se saade no de enya de a time we a yesim we won ba makwan ama no ye adwuma sebi produce akoda no de PTA di usika eno nya akoda no na sa fees no wo so twia eya ba time no se de eno nti ne wo PTA wonom na wo se won mo frɛ na PTA empanyimfo ba betena so aba time no be kyerɛ won madwe na de nti a amana ko ba no sa no won mo kyerɛ mu na mo de mo ntansa ekɔbɔ nkoda no emanu nti akoda na de hwia ebonoa afu wedie enya dia saade no o maso sokora
yebo PTA no nkwara no enka ho ye ni awobo no ene sisafo no na ewe ko no bi so wo bi enka ni ledo anani juice anani levita enimre bia ye PTA no mu se ye be ba ma akora no ena etia di ye sumura nti ye PTA no ye nya saade no ye wrong PTA ni bi o ye saade ni bia o hu se o ye the wrong thing ye sa so no ma emrano no be very wrong running car no we can find the former for the BFP class it's so no wo of cleaning the day
na anu watri no so wasanso ababekire mu se enane kire ya de nya de a wonmo anya subuo bi a ade free Ghana Education Service wonmo enchen na ade afa fees bi a isu nipa bi no mahase a wonmo gigeye wo schools ahodo mu anu so mo asem sei eno kan no
me say in time past and I want to do instruction the airport but say me die ka dem we die let me aka no kwem say nyam be ko ye na yen ti bi ka e ko ye ni yen ko all over Ghana ya kata chiro mo say that die no etia emwa e ni point obia ku ana PTA ku ba je ke die ti no omu nke fu no so mo ba hwe ya na say kwa no die for to at my dia ma employee say any point some this ke die ta wo ko omu ni ka mandate e ye yen PTA for no for ye bu ye ya wo na ye ho ni ye nkra ne die papa omu nka ho ke ni kwan so omu safa for ye ma ye ntumi anye no omu safa for it absolutely wrong etia the NCPD ye mra
Nia tenu kayi aye customer for the Parent Teachers Association Mame Irene Sam
Gomwa East Mensi atena ye hye humesua ensem so wo me de ato dwase nyame ya doma BC nso hwe ya edwoada adesuafo wo mo ekwakwahase ye 4th May no wo mo hwe nim se anya bi kura no hamu chichemu aduokron 90% target de wo mo de besi wo mani so afi sanse abre ni bra no bia wo mahunu se wo mo numbers ne bu ho efri ohamu chichemu aduowotwe 80% kosi 84% na afidie 1% epeje mu koso kakra 100% no wo manya kura na nyemu 90 na wo hwe mensinu emu a adesuafo beye empemu sia henum aduosia en wo mo ekwakotena se e wo centers ahodo beye aduasa na wo mo akwakokyero saa ensohwe no panyina wo kasa edima GS wo Gomwa East mensinu emu eye Linda Abena Kwachoa na wode nsam kakra etudwa wabra Gomwa East Mrashe Bejeni Onmonyamfo Desmond de Graft Pay to Koye Aye Kakra na wasan ehye bose womo mo beye ade ewo ensohye ya womo kwakotru mu no obeboa aso womo asene.
So over the year 2025-2026, our academic year for the candidates ends after their examination, and we had prepared 6,560 candidates, both private and public schools. And so we are writing in 30 centers. Our preparation was that we were able to write 4 mocks in each school. Others did interventions, giving them extra tuition. Even during the vacation, Easter holidays, we were doing extra tuition just to help them be on top of their issues. We have prepared adequately well. We are only hoping on the grace of God that the little that we have put in, by His mercies, we also do well and get maximum results.
Linda Abena Kwachiwa wono eneye kasamafo ema ehumesua tenaye no ewo Gomwa Ismensi no emu enuachi mrashebedwani ye wonpotem ho Desmond de Graft Pay to honorable enso editudwa esre adesuafo no se ensohwe ya wo mkwakotwe ne ye apotwie machiro bibia gu paper so de akowura dan mo ho no wo mo hwese wo mbetwom ho edi afri ne mabia etete safe wahebo se obi biara obetimi abo ne ho moden so no eyade se wo betimi abo aso masene ewo kwan ketua bia eso.
Expect from you than your best, and your best could be done by yourself, not me, because you have learned and you are going to write. So if there is anything you can show better, it has to do with you. Do you understand? And so when at the end of your results being released and we realize that you've done very well, there we will come in to support you to move to your secondary school, that is SHS. So I want you to do your best.
Honorable Desmond de Graft Pay to wono eneye Gomwa East Mrashe Bejeni.
Now wejaba we about some person so no shebedwani onmonyamfo Jerry Ahmed wono so eto anamokro ye bi etrese sane amofra no bosomia ye ba besimia no wonom ba be hye won so betwe na sente no ehu behia se to da bia ehu boaya na chechire wonom edi suro bi aba bedwale wonom nyina no empanyifo etu saade no so sa na wotimi eyifiri wo mu se be ya won so no wode akokodro ene eyetimo fanyo etimi kwotena exam center won eba ne se wonom tra wotimi atre ne ye na awieye no enkunimdie etimi akọ ede ama wonom te no wakwa eye BC insore trefo ya wonom se won empesua so ebi amanam so wahye wonom enkuran asa abo wonom ho aho ano ho ba se etoda bia ya na enwumasua we no eni sikasem na enam obi obetre na wadi nkunim ewo modem ekwan so no obesan aso na sese be ya na enwumasua ento aso no bibia betimi akoso wano ede ama.
With my constituency executives, we have had a group here in Akbawi. All these sandals were manufactured in Akbawi. They were not manufactured or produced in China. What we are seeking to do is to let the people understand that the local economy can also be built on, and we need to support our people. Each and every Birkenstock or sandals you see here was produced here in Akbawi by young men and women. So I need you to understand that there is nothing impossible. You can do it. You can give me the best of grace. Yesterday, my chairman and I agreed that anybody who is giving us at least 8 ones will get at least 2,000 Ghana cedis to support. If you get 8 ones at least, this is what you are going to get from us, from the MP's Freshers Fund. You know how we do it. Every member, every person here who is passing will get a trunk free from MP, will get mattress free from MP, will get pillow free from MP, will get a new school bag free from MP. And we are not talking about it just because we want to talk about it. We did it last year.
Ebusia we say onmonyamfo Jerry Ahmed wono wejaba wa baton person so no shebedwani na yese ensrahwe we no to bia wansana woni hwekura no posa ne nsam sandals mpabo ahodo na no na wo kire se wonom ne mpasua na nkasa so ya watebre de akoma enkwada no se wonhye na wonfa enkotwere so we ne se be ya mpabo de ya munu ntino benya adwum foforo adwum no adwum kan de akotwere ensore no matimi de enkunim ewo mu ye na ne kasa no echi no adesuafo ya wonom so enya akyede ene kasapei emu arehwemu ensembie no wonom so de empire ene enase eto de mapanyin say.
And I'm very happy that Honorable Jerry has gave us this
Honorable Jerry Nyamishano, no money quantity, the only scan fear, how many quantity, mostly function could be there. The way there, and yet I'll phobia never see you. Now, the book only see called better. Struggle once when I see a mission no money quantity.
Mention and cancer with so some Americans and Danas, and Shano, or Yamapa, I am my Danas.
Nana upon Checheku, Yankrato for ya Watonkra, a young Camponi Mantama Senum de Minada Roman and Sasso, and Namoa Yensa, Eka and Semi.
Okay, 4 man, Mamma ya, one more Faja to South, Mensimo Alpha Mantemo, one more no Demuya Wumu Super. What the other stradia at Waban when him so one must say. Now one more near my would one more year a fano, a more a dear hono, a busia a year agency. One much almost say, and more one more dear fear chemuno, and nay a bit a show one more tongue, and your feed your swambasan so dear, Nano swag one more sa. Ninano I say a bino ya Jenny, says schools I would woman or more dear Casaya Mua, your one ama emonwa chese edwadefo no anase akuafo no krampo ye no atumiako wano e de ama womo womo chem se ne de won magia tomo ye de ya po ho de de afa machines mu eno nko ana mu ankoda ne di ni skum na mom ya akasankase ya sante mo no ye no de eno kra de lalai enti aka wo binti emo no wombe dua be wie no na abo womo so akadam a womo nya atofo ama won mo ento enam so ama ye ne owura Dixon ado ekasai wopanye pan na kasa adima Faja to South akuafo no womo enkabomku.
We are gathered here today because of challenges we are facing in selling our produce. After farming, it has been hard for us to sell our produce, being it rice and maize. So we contacted Buffer Stock, but they let us know that we need to process the rice for them. But currently in the district, we don't have processing facility, which is the rice mill. So it is a challenge for us to meet their demand. So we are appealing to the government that it should make the necessary machines for us to be able to process our rice.
Awusiawai aye akuafo ya womo Faja to South womo kabomku opanyini ya okasade ma won mo Dixon kojo ado ene yetene kan weso ne yegina ya don ye hotawo ye ba amono nsam ebeto aso.
Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra, Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra,
Midimafo Heba Clinic Accra.
And you won't hear passengers a Gumika, a Hana do one aircraft. Hey, and this Accra and put away a demo. And yet the Muampa, the said, a Duchem Atlantic International University, America Memo, about Dr. Dujan Babasu, honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine. It is said here, I am more. Oh, Missy Minim wife, your copa war, 1 year, 1 city, needs send between 1 and 8 years. Connection and said Koye na Esakakra. To say what Peggy Mama Hodiam Bem connection about the crowd. Stroke so dear, what found small. Just say, I did you who any dear Siano. Yari Bia Tatia, ever Dr. Tamdaso and so. Diabetes, hepatitis B, prostate, hypertension, malaria. Yari Bia. Kumasi say, oh, opposite government school. And then Krahanso, Obe PM, or Pokuase, Maira Kwanoso. For a doctor, 0244 774 282. Number 0500-727215.
Midimafo Herbal Clinic.
Wudimafo Newa.
Brush your teeth every day and night. Up and down and all around. Brush the clean and bright. Brush your teeth. Brush with mom and dad. Underneath and in between. Brush the germs away.
Pepsodent, cavity protection.
For 10 times stronger.
This advert is FDA approved.
Emma Aketiapa.
Emma Aketiapa mpa ebusuan da masesam bre amaya dane ye ho abaye kone akowie kase no nyina ewo amanone na eye nimsam se US mampani Donald Trump wone ne ho kani First Lady Melania Trump womo abo anamo ye kan womo akopie mu ewo UK king and queen ne nase na enkitahudi ahodo biara esese womo ekokodie se de beya yonkofa eda aman ne mienu entem no ebetimi ahyemu kina no eno ho enkomodie en womo eko na wo hye se de Yera Donald Trump ne ne ho kani womo pieye na royal CGG womo tata na womo ahofama ne ade ne womanfo boje womo so a utim se womo timay womo de na Yera Donald Trump kasa no wachire mu ese emfie beye mpempem de oho ne US ni UK minor de eyade sa yonkofa eda wo montam no emu odin ankasa wo mu eni damfofo bi ye US fo wo mu ni ayonko bia ese UK minor enti wo ma be pie kin ne queen na asede a na esesa wo mo hye na nkitahudi ahodo nso etimi koso no wo se nanse montam a Iran wo mo ntokwai ehya ase na ase UK ene US for no mo ye nyamente me ho ase kakra bi nso wo mo hwe nim se san hyiamudie be ko na wie ye no de na wo haw bia ewo ho no wo mo atimi asiesie nsem ahodo a Yera Donald Trump editu dwane bi.
In the centuries since we won our independence, Americans have had no closer friends than the British. We share that same root. We speak the same language. We hold the same values. And together our warriors have defended the same extraordinary civilization under twin banners of red, white, and blue.
US President Donald Trump ena wote se enhyiamudi a ekoso ewo US ni UK amino entemu no ewo kin ena omukohia Queen Camilla nene yekeke ka ho no ena womo edesa ensem no atudwe no so ne yegina na yede hot bite kasebo ye hya se nunumu empemu atuamu ade ofa etoso mienu no abesi sabre no yede nyina esi hasafei en wabeka yensan sama wodo ede ba ne didi mu akotene bi ene se Ashanti South Police Command no womo atu anamon etimi akwakokyere robbery syndicate ni emu enkrofo bia na womo bokro no ewo mpotem ahodo etu akasa ama nipa mienu ahwere womo nkwa
na kwada SOMPA water no so ebiaye ho Amstead campus wo enso ye de amanebo free wo echiresa brantie bi yade a ka abono na so no hyenkani no wadwane ye ne assembly member wo ebo mu nkomo
yakodo ma hinkro kokofa de bra modwere for ma no amane hunu awo namu MCE adebo hye atodwa se fridge na de cross amane hunu no wo mu ehunu bio
akwanhie bi asi ewo emfimfi mantamu Cape Coast Quantempon so ama eno so nipa mienu na ahwere wo nkwa afoforo num eji ayarehwe
abrantie bi a wono so total CB wono ankasa na fidie ya wode twetwetwane na de ne niema wode ato ne minimu atwa ya ye kasa kwalebo aba ya sabia a Dr. Fogina no so ntenten epragene nkwa
dom kuma ye wo mai ma shebe fie nso so akasai achiro musa Ghana ban edeka $700 million eno ka ho bi ena mankane no enyina so
yewie ye ene de ekọ amanone se US mampani Donald Trump ene ne ho kani Melania womo akwako piemu ewo UK eye ohima ene wohene ne naso nkomodi ahodo pi ya nansemu entem efa Iran for womo tokwa yanka man ni mienu womo yenya kasakasa no womo akwa womo hwe nim se ehyiamudie no bekọ na wie ye ne de na womatimi asiesie sa ensem no wei ene afoforo bi ena anwumre yi yede ebesom ewo SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra midin ede ADWOA ASARE mene
OHENEYERE mame ekua YEBOAA esia mabronya abrewatia ena afi
AKOSUA AGYEIWAA KODIE buatin